Good day everyone, I'm Gillier Ryan Maniago, a student of Masters of Information Systems at University of the Philippines Open University. For today, I will demonstrate my final project for IS-295B Information Systems Project 2. The project is Job Order and Analytics Management System for Design Concept Advertising. Let's start our demonstration. Open a new tab and type in www.gmaniago.com/jamsbeta. This is the login page of the application. To log in, type the username and password. For added protection, captcha code is added in this page. The system will prompt the user for invalid login. We will try to key in invalid username and password to test. After clicking Login, the system notified the user of invalid login. Now we will try to log in using the correct username and password. Make sure to key in correct captcha code as well. Click Login. After the server validated the username and password, the system will redirect the user to full access page if the user has the admin role. Otherwise, we will redirect to normal page. For this demo, we use the administrator account. After we log in successfully, the system redirected us to the system dashboard. The system dashboard contains many information regarding the job orders, clients, users, and most importantly, the status of the job orders. The components are the top navigation bar, the dashboard icons, system menus, and the quick preview tabs. The top navigation bar shows the name of the system and its current version. It also holds the search function that can come handy for searching job orders or clients. The name of the log user is shown at the top right corner of the navigation bar. The edit profile and logout are accessible via the drop-down menu. The dashboard icons shows four animated boxes, namely the job order, calendar, client, and users. The dashboard icon also includes the date and time of the day. The main menu is in the left side of the screen. This menu links all the functionalities available in the system. The Job Order Quick Preview tabs shows the overview of the job order status. For the job order due today, this highlights the job orders that are due today. This tab, the job order due in 2 days, highlights all the job orders that are due in the next 2 days. Job orders not yet assigned tab highlights all the job orders that are accepted but not yet assigned to staff. The Assignment Details tab highlights all the assignments of each staff. The Missed Job Order tab highlights all the job orders that were not completed before the due date. Client menu includes functions for managing clients' information, and these functions are add, view, search, update, and delete. To view clients' information, click Client from the left menu, and the system will list all the clients. Select a particular client and click View. To search for a client, just type in the name and click go. And the system will list all the matches. Now we will try to add a new client. From the menu, click Clients and then Add New Client. Type in all the necessary information. And then click Add New Client. To update a particular client, select the client and view. Make the necessary changes. And then click Update. You can see that all the changes were reflected. To delete the client, click the Delete Client button. The system will prompt us that this action cannot be reversed. Click OK. Job order list will give the users access to all the current job orders. To view a job order, from the menu, click Job Order and then Job Order List. The system will list all the current job orders. To add a new one, click Add New Job Order. Select the client that requires the service and the service the client requires. Key in the 4-digit job order number from the printed form. For example, 6069. Add some description, 5x4 sticker. When is the start date? The due date. How much is the price? Is there any discount? Key in the discount and additional fees. And the system will automatically compute the amount payable for the user. After keying all the information, click Add New Job Order. To see the job order, we can search the job order number. You can see that the job order number is kept in the database. After adding the job order, user can now accept down payment or full payment for the job order. To add payment, click the Payment Details tab, then click Add Payment. Select the payment type, key in the amount, key in the payment date, put some notes, and then click Add Payment. After adding the payment will be displayed in the job order details page. Note that the system can handle debit and credit payments. If the payment added is 500 and the user wants to void this payment, the next amount to be entered must be -500 to make the transactions void. So we need to add payment -500, payment date, this is a reversal. After adding the payment will be displayed in the job order details page. Now that the job order is in place, we will assign a staff to do the task under this job order. To assign the task to a staff, view the job order. And then click the Add Task to a team member. We can select the team member and the task to complete by the team member. The suggested start date and end date. After keying in all the details, add task. The task is shown in the job order details. The assigned task will be visible to the team member's dashboard. In this example, the task was assigned to Leonard and this task will be visible to his dashboard. We are now to Leonard's dashboard and we can see from the Assignment Details tab the job order number 6090. From here, Leonard can update the status from assigned to in progress or to completed. For this example, we will update the status to in progress. Going back to the administrator page, we will check the status of the job order 6090. And from here, we can see that Leonard updated the status from assigned to in progress. User can add attachment to the job order details page, such as the design layout in CorelDRAW file, JPEG, or any other document that will aid in the completion of this job order. So we will go to Leonard's dashboard. Let's say Leonard completed the design layout and he needs to attach the layout in this job order. View the job order, click Add Attachment, add some notes, choose the file, then click Add New Attachment. To view the attachment, search the job order and click View. Another way to view the attachment is via job order layout list. This page will list all the attachment to update job order. View the job order that we want to update and then make the necessary changes. For this example, we will change the job order notes from 100 pieces to 250 pieces. Click Update to save the changes. As we can see, the job order status is still planned. To start the job order, click the Start Job Order button. The status will change from planned to in progress. To update the job order status from in progress to completed, click the Finish Job Order button. To update the job order from completed to release, click the Release Job Order button. In this case, the system is asking for additional 670 pesos before releasing the job order. As we can see, the due balance is still 670 pesos. What we need to do is add payment amounting to 670 for us to do the release. So we will add the payment, 670, payment today, full payment. After adding the payment, we can see that the balance is already zero. At this point, we can click the release job order. To update the job order status from released to archive, click the Archive Job Order button. In some cases, job orders need to be reactivated. To reactivate the job order, click Reactivate Job Order button. There are also cases wherein the planned job orders are need to be cancelled. To cancel a job order, click the Cancel Job Order button. Do note that all activities in this job order can be traced by checking the activity logs. This log is only visible to users with full access. Calendar. This feature allows the user to view all the job orders plotted in the calendar. The calendar is accessible via the menu. Then click Calendar. With this view of job orders plotted in a calendar, the user will be able to plan the job orders accordingly. The users will be able to view the details of the job order plotted in the calendar by clicking the job order. In this example, we would like to view the details of this job order. Upon clicking, the job order details are retrieved by the system. The system provides operational and analytic reports. These tools help the user in day-to-day business operations and provide input for making decisions. To access the report, click the report from the menu. In this demo, we will generate a payment report from November 13 to November 15. To do this, select the payment report. Select the start date and the end date. For our demo, we will use November 13 as start date and November 15 as end date. Click Go. The system generates the payments collected from November 13 to November 15. To print, just right-click and print. Another way to print is, instead of clicking the Go button, click the PDF icon and the system will generate a PDF version of the report. As you can see, the report is in PDF format. Let's try out the analytic reports. In this demo, we will try to find out the most number of job orders the company processed for the month of October and November. To do this, click the report and go to the job order by service type. Select October 1 until November 15 and then click Go. The system generates the graphical report that shows the most number of job orders received by the company in the month of October and in the month of November. With this info, the company may increase the number of staff working on tarpaulin to handle the demands. The system provides menu to update application settings, manage system users, and manage lookup tables. In this demo, we will update application name. To do this, click Settings, and then Application. Update the application name, and then click Update Site Settings. To see the effect, refresh the page. You can also update the logo. System Users menu includes functions for managing system users' information. These functions are adding, viewing, searching, and updating users' information, including access rights to the system and password update. To view system users, go to Settings, and then System Users. To add a new user, click Add New User. Type in the details. When creating system user, select the appropriate access level. There are 3 access levels, namely full access, admin, and normal. For this example, we will use the normal access level. After keying all the details, click the Add New User. To update a system user's information, click the Settings, System Users, and then view the user that you want to update. Make the necessary changes. For this example, we will change the position of the user from artist to operator. Click Update User. To delete the system user, view the user, and then click Delete User. The system will prompt you if you want to delete the user. For security reasons, the system will not allow reset password through links or email. The system user with full access can only reset a password. To reset the password, view the system user from Settings, System Users, and then click the user that you want to reset the password. Type in the new password and click Update User. The system will lock the user account with 3 invalid login. The system user with full access can only unlock the account. If the account is locked, the is active field is set to no, otherwise is set to yes. To unlock the account, simply update the field from no to yes, and then click the Update User button. After this, the user will be able to log in again. The company offers many services, and these are managed under Services menu. To view service types, click Settings, and then Services. To add a new service type, click the Add New Service Type button. Type in all the details, and then click Add New Service Type button. To update the service type information, view the service type, make the necessary changes, and then click Update Service Type button. To delete a service type, view the service type, and then click the Delete Service Type button. The system includes the user manual in its menu. To access the user manual, from the menu, click the user manual. The system will open up the user manual. The information system includes tracking feature for clients to check the status of their job orders. To view the status of their job orders, the client must point their browser to www.gmainiago.com/jampsbeta/inquiry.php. Key in the name as reflected in the job order form. For this demo, we will use Ryan Lagarta. Key in the 4-digit job order number from the job order form. And click the Check Status button. From the results, we can see that the company is still working on the job order. We can cross-reference this job order number back to our system by checking the job order number. You can see here that Ryan Lagarta with job order number 2198 is still in planned status. The system also sends email reminder for job orders due today and due in the next 2 days. This email reminder is scheduled to send around 8 a.m. in the morning. With this feature, the users are reminded constantly of the job orders.